big deal. I have an idea for how to get delicious food. This turned out to be harder than I thought. But something tells me it's gonna be worth it. Yeah! So much delicious food. I need to eat it as fast as possible. Hey! What? What is this? Oh, I think it's time for me to get out of here. Stop! I'm gonna catch you. You won't get away from me. Oh, I'm so full. I can't even fit through the hole. Mr. Policeman, help! Whoa, how did you get in there? Here, I'll get you out quickly. Hurry up! I'm trying hard. It seems that somebody got a bit fat. I can eat this burger, and you can just sit on the floor trying to reach it.